Good afternoon, morning, evening, or after morning. I'm the Manly Digger. I'm out detecting today. As you can probably see outside, it is cold. Not only is it cold, well, snowing. There's snow on the ground. Not only is it cold, it's in the negatives. It is. When I woke up this morning, it was -7. It's got a little warmer, so it's -2 right now. One thing I've learned in Maine, if you're gonna live here, it's a gorgeous state. Beautiful, beautiful state. Even when it's negative, it's cold. I mean, even when it's cold and negative, it's still beautiful. You need the appropriate gear. You need gloves. I'm getting a little older, so I feel the cold in my hands a lot more. I was that kid back in the day who would go out in a sweatshirt or a hoodie, and that's it. Didn't matter what weather. It was awesome. Snowmobiling, ice fishing, hunting. I was that kid that would walk in shorts and be cool with it. Nowadays, not a kid anymore. I feel it in my fans, like, a lot. And these gloves I got from Santa. And the story behind these gloves is my youngest heard me complaining about my hands all the time. Every time I'd shovel, my hands hurt, I feel my fingers. And honestly, she got tired of me complaining. That's what, straight out of her mouth. I love that kid. Anyway, straightforward. So she asked Santa to get me these gloves. And they're awesome. They're really awesome. In general, they're waterproof, or they say they're waterproof, and I'll test that out. You ready for this? I'm ready for this. This is dumb. I'm not gonna lie. All over. What guy tries to drench his gloves in water in negative degrees? This guy does. Anyway. But I've never had heated gloves. The name brand on the gloves is MRA Warm. All one word. I don't know if it's one word or it's pronounced that way, but that is how I'm saying it. And I'll put a picture up. They make battery powered heating devices, socks, blankets, gloves, underwear. These gloves, and I'm going to harp on this a little bit more because my fingers, as I get older, hurt in the winter. They hurt. Poor blood circulation, getting old. My hands and fingers have, taken a beating through the years, through construction, military, other dumb things that I've done. So, could be any reason, any one of those reasons, or I'm just getting old. Anyway, but there's two different types. There's the upgraded glove, or the original glove, and then there's the upgraded glove. The difference is in the fingers. The old version did not have heated fingertips. The heating didn't go to the fingertips. The newer version does, which is awesome, and I love it. I swear, the older I get, the more sensitive and more needy I get. As I get older, no, man, I like my heated blankets, my heated gloves. The cold, no, not my gig anymore. But these gloves, are I would say they're needed. They really are, especially in Maine. Like, it snows, you got to shovel. You want to drive, you want to get out of your house, you got to shovel. You want to go to work? I work in outdoors. So if I want to work, I need gloves. So here's how this works. You have the battery pack or power pack, which plugs in to this guy right here, which is attached to the power button here. So watch closely. You plug it in. has the 3 dots showing that it's fully charged. And this is, I had an issue with this. I only pressed the button once and I was like, what is going on? It's not working. I can't make a video now. But I pressed and held it. And boom. And it changes the level of heat that you receive. To check the batteries or how much power you have, press the button and it shows you 3 dots. Like I was saying before, how you turn it on is you press the button and hold it and it'll come up red. Red is the hottest setting, blue is the medium, and green is the lowest. I suggest, because I have multiple years of cold weather training. I was stationed in Alaska in the Army, and cold weather training is what they do, is you don't want your hands to sweat. So putting the hottest setting on first, maybe to heat them up, but then like tone them down after a while. Even then, like if you have like coming inside, I don't know, maybe it's just me, coming in, having extremely cold hands, and then coming inside to where it's warm or hot, the blood rushes to your hands and it hurts. It feels like needles on your skin. So maybe not the best idea, or maybe it's a great idea. Maybe just learn to turn it down. But heated gloves, awesome. Gotta say, love heated gloves in the winter. So to end this video, I'm going to end with a complaint. My only complaint about the gloves is that the right hand, and it's just a me thing. I know it is. The right hand, the way the battery sits, it's hard to put on and take off. It's probably just how my hand is. I mean, I still get my hand still comes out or slides into the glove. It just takes a little bit more effort. I'm also right-handed, so that could explain it. But no matter how I fix or adjust the battery, still the same issue. Gloves work. The gloves work. They heat. They keep my fingers warm. They keep my fingertips warm. The gloves keep me functional during cold weather and freezing temperatures. I can go outside. I can operate. I can do whatever I need to do. Shovel, play around, throw snowballs, build snowmen, construction, whatever. And it's not an issue. My hands aren't hurting, which is awesome. Mainly dig it out.